I did business management with entrepreneurship.
Investment and risk finance.
Purchasing and supply chain management.
I'm doing MSc Global Finance.
I'm on the MA Marketing Communications course. I chose University of Westminster because the course that it was offering was such a well-rounded marketing course.
My organisation chose Westminster University because of its flexibility and its willingness to tailor the programme for us.
I chose the course because of the financial markets suite, which gives you a real-life trading scenario, something that is very rare to find at other universities.
Because of its amazing location, it's absolutely central to the city and everything that you want is around you.
First year was extremely busy.
You need to be on top, you need to plan, you need to be online, you need to be everything.
You get used to it and it's like running, so you start running and you're just trying to be quicker and quicker.
Whenever you need any help from the teacher, they're always there.
My tutor helped me in building a real business plan and building a sort of person who I am as an entrepreneur. How can I speak in front of people?
And we help each other a lot. So if I have a weakness, then I speak to my colleague and he will explain it to me and vice versa.
Not only do we learn through books, but they have an amazing online resource.
The library has changed. What we have in seminar classes with the blackboards and interactive boards have been very interesting.
We never leave this room. We're always here. Just can't get enough of this room.
The best experience so far, I think, is a recent project I was working on about Premier Inn. We actually got to meet the CEO of Premier Inn at their headquarters.
I did my internship with Standard Bank. What I found interesting is that I could relate completely with what I've learned at university.
There are loads of different extracurricular activities.
An example is I chose international business, but I did courses in journalism, in gender studies, in fashion.
On my year abroad, I went to Berlin.
I studied in Australia for a year in Melbourne. Simply the greatest time that I ever had in my life.
So we have students from more than 150 countries, and that means they can go anywhere in the world and work and live with any other group of people.
The distinctive thing about Westminster Business School is that the programmes are designed very much with the future employment prospect.
I enjoyed it. I could run my own business as well as study at the same time as part of the course.
Currently, I work at CBS Interactive.
I work as an assistant strategy officer for local government.
I'm working with the UN doing purchasing and supply chain management.
Team leader of 85 agents.
In one word, I could say the experience was excellent.
Life-changing.
Amazing.
Cosmic.
Sensational. Sensational.
Brilliant. It's brilliant.
Just the place that you have to be right now.